A choppy session on markets to end the week, with markets seemingly looking for direction for much of the session. Now, late in the day, we got some good news. The U.S. president signed another coronavirus stimulus bill, and then oil moved higher for a third day, though it was still down by about 30% this week. It was a big week for shares in Beyond Meat. This stock had its best week since going public, higher by about 40% after announcing a partnership with Starbucks to enter the Chinese market. On this side of the border, the TSX up by about 0.5%. Gold was higher by about 2% this week. Now, shares in Agnico Eagle hit an all-time high today, and it was also a good day for shares in Canadian forestry firm Canfor, even as the BC company warned the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic will weigh heavily on its financial performance this year. Now, shares in Intel did finish in the red, but off the low for the day after the company withdrew its 2020 forecast on significant uncertainty. It did get a couple of upgrades today after reporting a 23% jump in first quarter revenue and a better than expected profit. All of this, of course, bolstered by the working from home movement. The company is also expecting weaker enterprise and government demand in the second half of the year. Shares in a company called Cargojet hit an all-time high on Bay Street today, and this has something to do with coronavirus. The company continues to grow, and during the ongoing pandemic, it's been able to redirect its aircraft to move time-sensitive overnight cargo for things like e-commerce, healthcare, and essential supplies. Now, the stock started the year at $105 a share. It's now roughly $140. It also got an upgrade yesterday. And a GM plant in Ontario is preparing to help in the fight against COVID-19. General Motors now preparing portions of the Oshawa plant to produce face masks in an effort to help Canada meet the urgent need during this unprecedented time. Now, the Canadian plant will follow the production model that's already operating in Michigan. GM says in a statement it's planning to manufacture approximately 1 million masks per month at cost for the Canadian government. An estimated 50 employees will support 2 shifts of production. Now, Unifor, which gave a thumbs up to this idea, says work is expected to begin in the next few weeks. In the 680 Business Center, I'm Chris McCusker.